Hi and welcome. In this video, we are going to cover installation guide for eCockPit version 1.6.1. So eCockPit is a software to program WAGO PLC. Okay, so in this video, we are going to cover the installation part of this eCockPit software. So size of this software is around 1.21 GB of version 1.6.1. So we will try to install this. So eCockPit setup.exe, we have to double click on this to start the installation. Now we have to choose the language, in which language we want to install this software. Okay, so for me the preferred language will be English, so I'll choose English and then I'll press OK. Now as you can see, welcome to eCockPit setup wizard. So we have to press next to continue, and then after we have to accept the WAGO software license agreement, and then we have to confirm that I am using this software exclusively for professional purpose. Okay, and then we have to press next. After that, select target directory, so in which directory you want to install this eCockPit software. So here is the directory. If you want to change the path, you can change by clicking on browse, otherwise you can leave it as it is, and then you have to press next. And then if you want to create a desktop shortcut, then you have to tick this checkbox. In my case, I want to create the desktop shortcut, so I'll leave it as it is and then I'll press install. So it will take some 15 to 20 minutes to complete the installation. So we have to wait until 15 to 20 minutes to see the complete installation. Okay, so our eCockpit is installed successfully. As you can see on our desktop, eCockpit icon is available, and we have completed the installation of eCockpit version 1.6.1. And you can tick this checkbox if you want to run the eCockpit now. Otherwise, you can click on finish. I don't want to run the eCockpit for now, so I'll uncheck this and then we will press on finish. Okay, so we will go to start menu, and then you can see eCockpit is here. And if you go down, and then you can go to WAGO software. So you can see eCockpit is available inside the WAGO software folder. Okay, so we will see you in the next video with the installation of eCockpit version 1.11.1. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.